In August of this year, we already conducted initial planning. Actually, we had series of planning conferences, for the hosting. In fact, we had, I guess, 5 meetings, and then we contacted the key personnel involved or resource people involved for the hosting. Most especially as far as the security is concerned, we have our PNP for other incidences like fire, for example. We have DFP, we have the general services of our municipality, because we partner with them, especially in the building quarters, because we requested to provide lights, for the building quarters, and then we also had the water district, because basically participants will be using water, and we can't afford that participants will be having a hard time, in the water provision. And then we also had contacted with the traffic management because we expected an influx of participants coming, in Sugod. Not only participants but even parents, coaches. So we have to deal with that also.